In a vibrant studio, a confident host welcomes viewers with a warm smile, launching into the digital marketing video series. Behind the host, animated graphics dance around the title, playfully introducing key topics like SEO, social media marketing, and content marketing. In the office, a split screen broadcasts, contrasting marketing campaigns. One, a dazzling success. The other, a dismal failure. An expert, immersed in the monitor's glow, meticulously dissects the data and strategies behind the triumphant campaign's meteoric rise. On screen, blazing text and dynamic data visualizations narrate a compelling saga of triumph. In a brightly lit conference room, a marketing expert captivates the audience with insights and tips, creating an engaging and informative atmosphere. Interactive elements flash across the screen, drawing viewers into an immersive experience of shared knowledge and discovery. On-screen text illuminates with a clear message: expert insights, expert name, expert title, underscoring the presenter's authority and expertise. Bathed in the radiant glow of animated tutorials, the animation studio transforms into a beacon of digital enlightenment. Marketing tools like Google Analytics and social media management platforms come alive with clear, step-by-step guidance and real-world examples. The urban landscape transforms into a canvas of tomorrow, where AI and augmented reality redefine marketing's horizon. Dynamic graphics dance across the cityscape, illustrating the transformative power of technology as a narrator proclaims, "Businesses can adapt to these changes."